Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I just fancied sitting down and just filming something fun for you guys. Like, I know I'm doing like a lot of normal basic makeup tutorials and I just wanted to sit down and just do like, you know, something that's going to make you laugh and something that's going to make me laugh. I didn't want to take it too serious today. So today I'm going to be filming the 5-minute makeup challenge. Like literally, it takes me like an hour and a half to do my makeup, and on a normal day when there's hardly no makeup on my face, probably about half an hour. 45 minutes. So you've got out what it's going to look like after 5 minutes. Eyebrows, I haven't filled them in. I have just filmed a tutorial using the new Maybelline Tattoo Brow. So if you want to check that out, just click the link in the description bar down below on the right top hand corner for you guys. The mascara is waterproof, so I literally can't take that off, but I will still be coating them with mascara, so it still counts. But yeah, if you want to see what the makeup is going to look like after 5 minutes, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy watching it. Okay, so I'm literally not going to even bother like showing you the products I'm using because that will just take up more time. So God, I'm dreading this. Like literally, I don't know what my face is going to look like or turn out like. So I've got it set on 5 minutes and we're about to start. So, oh god, I'm so nervous. So I'm just like gonna prime my face with the Beneficial Pore primer. I can't even talk right now because I'm panicking. I usually let my primer sink in, so the foundation goes on a lot better, but I can't see this happening today. For foundation, I'm using the Chanel foundation. Oh god, it's a bit too much jade. So I do foundation first because like, that will take up the most time. Oh no, this is too dark. I never use this foundation for my tan, so I don't know why I even got this out. Oh god. What time are we on? 4:05. God, that minute went so quick. Can't even see if my foundation is blended in properly. I'm just going to use that foundation just to prime like my eyes. And then for concealer, I'm using the Wake Me Up concealer from Rimmel. I don't even know. Oh, it's going everywhere. Blend them out again. 3/12 minutes left. Also got to put that on my eyes as well, just to try and prime and conceal all the redness. Okay, and then I'm going to quickly set that in place using some translucent powder from Avon. Yes guys, we're going to try and bake. We're going to try and bake. Not for long, but oh my god, I've only got 2 minutes left. Ah! Oh, got the wrong powder out. This is number 7 powder that I always use. I feel like I'm going really quick, but the time's like beating me still. How is that even possible? How can I be going really quick and the time's still beating me? This brush is crap. Oh god. This is not going great. Just gonna like quickly contour and bronze. 1 minute 43 seconds. I've like literally washed all my brushes, and I feel like when I wash my brushes I can never get enough product on my brush. Why is this literally sticking underneath my eye and not going anywhere? 1 minute 18 seconds left. Oh god. Highlighter, 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 highlighter. Eyes, where's my brush? Where's my brush? Where's my brush? Oh my god, I've lost my brush, I've lost my brush. I have to go with this one. Okay. Oh my god, 34 seconds remaining. Oh no. I'm literally not going to do this at all. 23 seconds, guys. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. 11 seconds. Ah! Ah! Oh no! Time is up. Oh my god. I've got lipstick on my teeth and everything. Like this, I literally thought I was going to do better than this. Like, the powder underneath my eyes has not moved one bit whatsoever, and I don't know why. The foundation is literally like non-existent because it's that light coverage. I don't even know what to say. Like literally, there's barely, like, what is that? What is that? I literally have lipstick on. Ah! Lipstick is literally everywhere. My mascara is everywhere. It's like in the inner corner, it's underneath. I can't even comment on the eyebrows because they're like tinted, so I can't comment. The foundation isn't that bad. I actually like blended it out alright, I suppose. It's just, no, 5 minute, mate, literally. This is why it takes me an hour and a half, because like literally I do everything so slow. Sorry guys. So the tips you have taken from this tutorial today is don't rush your makeup and don't put lipstick all over your lips, else it will go on your teeth. Anyway guys, so this is the end result of this quick 5 minute makeup challenge. I did not do myself proud. I'm very ashamed. I thought I'd do a lot better than I did. I keep getting lipstick on my teeth. But yeah guys, it was just like a fun makeup tutorial that I just wanted to do. I didn't want to take it too serious today. But yeah, let me know what you want to see next on my channel and give this tutorial a big thumbs up. If you want to see more fun tutorials like this, or if you enjoyed watching it, just let me know. Leave your suggestions down below what you want to see next. But yeah, I love you all so much. Thank you for watching this crazy ass makeup tutorial. I can't even call it a makeup tutorial, whatever it is. But yeah, hopefully I'll see you in my next tutorial. I love you all so much, and yeah, bye guys.